Good to go, brother?
All right. So you want me to sing? What makes me happy? What makes me happy is seeing you happy. So if you give me that big Bula smile, I'll give you the most brightest Bula smile ever. The Bula Spirit? Ooh, yeah, that's a good one. Meaning of the word Bula is alive. So having that Bula Spirit alive in you, yeah. I'll try my best to make everyone laugh. That's something special. It's, oh man, being nominated as Bulanaire is, woo, it's awesome and nice. From jokes to crazy Tom, talking Tom. One thing that people could do every day to be happy is wake up in the morning, look at yourself in the mirror, and just give it a big, bright, Bula smile. So yes, so if you can make yourself first happy, you can make everyone happy. Start off with making myself, hey! I thought it was a coconut.
Bula!
Bula!